probably explains that point. In text 12, purport. In chapter 18, Lord Vamanadeva, the dwarf incarnation, he appeared and he entered the sacrificial arena of Maharaj Bali, who received him well and fulfilled his desire by offering him benedictions. Here it describes, in text 2, it says, Shamavadato Jashavraja Kundala Trishola Sastri Varadambuja Puman Srivatsavaksha Balayanga Dola Sat Kirita Kanchi Gunacharu Nupura. Describes the form of Vamanadeva, says Sham Avadata, whose body is blackish and free from inebriety. Now, this verse in 18th chapter of 8th canto, text 2, indicates that he was dark sham color, like Krishna or Vishnu. The body of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, blackish in complexion, was free from any defects. His lotus face, decorated with earrings, Makara Kundala, appeared very beautiful. And Srivats was on his chest, bangles on his wrist armlets, on his arms, golden helmet, and belt on his waist, and sacred thread across his chest, and ankle bells decorating his lotus feet. This is a description of Lord Vamanadeva as he appeared in Indraloka before Bali Maharaj. How the picture of Vamanadeva on the cover, he's golden, that I can't understand. But that's there. Actually, when Vamanadeva appeared from the womb of his mother Aditi, he appeared in the form of Narayan, with 4 hands equipped with the necessary symbolic weapons. Then he immediately transformed himself into a brahmachari. So this is proof that Vamadeva's body is not material. That's a comment on his birth. It doesn't say that. Still, when he appeared later, he was in this dark shamrang color as a young Brahmin boy. Bali welcomes him and offers him so much nice words.